We are not staying at Pop Century. We're staying at the Deluxe Resort Yacht Club.
Oh, that's gonna be so cool!
And it is so nice. How do you explain the Yacht Club?
It's very nice. It's got its own boardwalk, its own lake, and you can walk right into Epcot Center.
And a 3-acre water park.
That is so cool.
And yeah, you can walk into Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Because the
I'm so
buses right
excited.
now are like insane. Like, what, 4 families on a bus probably?
Probably.
Like,
Oh my gosh.
Jean just came out. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
You get your own bed instead of a pull down.
I'm so thankful for Disney.
You're so excited! Disney tomorrow!
It's 4:31.
Good morning. It's Disney Day.
We're going to Disney.
Oh no, why is it too much today?
I know it's bright, but you gotta wake up. You and Mommy and Aunt Alexis are gonna go to Disney today. Yeah, I'm gonna get you dressed, okay?
What day is it today, Landon?
It's Disney.
It's Disney Day. Aunt Alexis's first time going to Disney.
Hooray!
Do you like my
Yay!
Do you like my sweatshirt? I'm obsessed.
So cute.
I got it at Kohl's. Wait, look at this though. Ready, Landon? All because of you.
Oh my gosh. It says Disney Mom.
All right, it's almost 5 o'clock. My husband.
Disney Mom. And Mom can open up her short shirt and say Disney
Disney Mom!
Mom.
All right, we need to hurry up and eat, okay?
And this is come on to Disney.
I'm coming. Where are we?
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing.
Disney, honey.
I hear sword music. Whoa, Mommy almost tripped you. Good job, honey.
It's so beautiful. So nice.
Do you like it?
I love it.
And we have, is there soap?
It's facial.
Maybe it's in the, oh, it's probably in the shower.
It's Cinderella's castle.
You see Cinderella's castle? Do you love our room?
I need my book.
Wanna go outside? Oh, we have a pool view. Okay, watch your fingers. Look how beautiful. What do you find?
No.
Oh, look at Landon's OO Hollywood Studios TD. Can we see yours, Aunt Alexis? We're tucking.
Spin!
Spin! Oh, you guys look
Hooray!
great. We're going to Hollywood Studios. Are you excited? The garland is up. So pretty. Isn't it cool, like the Art Deco design? Alexis's very first part. Yay! There's Mickey balloons! Ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway soon. Are you ready to conga? Oh, a Christmas tree!
That's
Look
what I
at
showed her when we
Alexis.
walked past. She said, "Look, Alexis."
Wow.
So big.
She's been so excited to see a Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? All right, let's go eat. Say hi, Chip and Dale.
Oh my God.
Hi, Judy. Hi, Judy.
Look.
Hi, Judy.
Hi. Oh, I blew you a kiss. There's Minnie. She's got her own car.
I'm done.
And Donald. Baby, look, wave to Minnie, Landon. Honey, wave to Minnie. Hi, Minnie.
Hi, Minnie.
Hi, Donald. Oh, he blew you a kiss.
Hi, Mickey. Hi.
Yay! That was awesome.
That's so cute.
I don't think I've ever eaten here, by the way. So this will be good.
Oh, cool.
Try something new. So cool. These are amazing. Are they glowing?
Yes.
Oh wait, it's here. Sip it. That Rosie's Cafe got rid of my fried green tuna sandwich, but I'm eating at the commissary, and this is the most amazing margarita with a glow cube. Oh my gosh. And a Greek salad. This looks amazing. Do it, Alexis. Oh my goodness. It is Christmas at Disney. Look how beautiful. What's she doing?
What made Mickey Woman?
Yeah, good job, honey. Alexis's first Disney ride ever. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? I love it.
Can you all hear me? Way back in the back? Welcome
Oh my
aboard,
gosh.
folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Hey, Mick and Mim. Sure anything. Don't share our friend. Gosh, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, it's a long way.
I did not expect that. So Alexis is riding Rise of the Resistance. I'm gonna get Landon to sleep, and then I get to ride it again. The Mickey and Minnie's Railroad was really cool. I had no idea the seat vibrated. That was really neat.
Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Resistance spies, the ship is now under the command of the First Order. You shall exit as I call you and proceed to your right for interrogation.
We'll take him from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Okay, let's bring the ship here. Let's go. Red, let's go to orange. Blue, over here. Red, over here.
Ben, we have the recruits. If anyone's taking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's still full. Wait, why are you doing that? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
You and the resistance.
Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
And Alexis is in the very back. See if I can see her. There she is. She's landing their sparkly drinks. And they're red and green. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So cute. Oh my gosh, thank you, server Alexis. Oh, that's a little tray. That looks yummy. A star, let's go see it. That is beautiful. That is so cool, Landon. It goes up and up. Landon, what was your favorite part of today?
Disney.
Disney. My favorite part of today was spinning it with you and Aunt Alexis. You did such a good job. Did you like Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway? That was cool. Like, tomorrow we have Magic Kingdom and there is a tropical storm. 40-mile-an-hour winds, raining all day.
Mom, can we get
Yeah, we're gonna read books. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say hit a thumbs up button.
And fun button.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh, that's a hard one. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the thumbs up button.
Button.
See you later.
Button. Button. Button.